Hello, what's up people? So today we are going to an Indian restaurant in Napoli. So let's see how it tastes. We went to the restaurant and the dining was on the basement, and as you can hear they gave us a warm welcome with the Indian music. So there were a wide varieties of dishes from biryanis to fried rice, and even they have dosas, idli, bonda, everything. So we just ordered different types of dishes. One have ordered masala dosa, one has plain dosa, one is bonda, and I ordered prawn biryani and chicken, crispy chicken. So let's see how they're gonna taste, and we are waiting. So let's see what they have actually ordered. Principal.
और मसाला डोसा और बोंडा प्लेट నేనండి ఒక మసాలా దోశ ఒక ప్లేట్ బోండా చెప్పానండి और प्लेट चिकन फ्राइड राइस और मसाला बोंडा मैंने तो एक मसाला डोसा लिया हूँ बस मिक्सर వేయాలి దही వేయాలి కానీ మసాలా బాగుంది.
So our first dish has arrived, bonda.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Naga.
మన ఎగ్జాక్ట్ బొండాలా లేదు కానీ కొంచెం మధ్యలో పొటాటో యాడ్ చేసి మసాలా యాడ్ చేసి డిఫరెంట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ బొండా నాట్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ ఆలు బజ్జీ లాగా ఏం చెప్పాలంటే కొంచెం ఆలు 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 సమోసా ఉంటుంది ఆలు సమోసా షేప్
I've actually received my starter, and then my friend received my masala dosa. The presentation was actually good. They gave the coconut chutney, the tomato chutney, and even the sambar.
इटली आने के बाद पहला इंडियन एक्सपीरियंस है.
I've received my prawn biryani, but couldn't see any prawns.
సందీప్ చూడండి ఇట్లీ వచ్చాక ఫస్ట్ టైం ఇండియన్ ఫుడ్ దాని ఫీలింగ్ వచ్చింది. ఇప్పుడు అవర్ ఇట్లీతో ట్రై చేద్దాం
ఎస్పెషల్లీ నేటివ్స్.
Cheers.
So I've ordered prawn biryani. As you can see how much I loved it.
No need to wash.
So my friends were also ordering the same. So as you can see, the ambience is also good, and I have seen even the Italians and some Africans also coming into this restaurant. So if the locals are coming into the restaurant, you can say it's a good restaurant. For me, the Indian flavors were like 8.5 out of 10. So I can definitely suggest you to come and try the food here. So we are done with our lunch, and we are really satisfied with whatever we had. So I think this is the end of the video, guys. So hope you see you in the next video. See you.